Welcome. If you followed my channel for any amount of time, you know I do a number of screencasts, and the microphone I tend to use on that is just my iPhone headphones, and it has a microphone here, and I typically use that. I've tried this solution here, and this is a Shure PG58 microphone here, and I've got a stand for it and a pop filter, and this is a M Audio Fast Track. So this used to have like a, I don't know, 25-foot XLR cord on it. So I put a little bit shorter cord on it, and I have this big USB cord. So as you can see between these two, this is a lot nicer to have on my desk because it's just wound up in a little coil, and I plug it in, throw it in my ears. This thing is huge and a big mess. So I don't like this. I used it once. It also transmitted a lot of noise through the stand there. So I really need like a shock mount for it. So this can probably give you very good audio, but it was such a huge hassle. So I want to show you what I'm using now. So a couple of videos ago, you might have seen I did an unboxing of this Comica microphone, and it came with a smartphone holder and a tripod. And I found that this works very well with my laptop too. So what I have here is it's a Smartry clamp mount, and I'll put a link in the description to both of these items, and if you use those links, it helps me out a little bit. It doesn't cost you anything extra. And this was provided to me by Comica, but they're not paying me for this video, and they're not reviewing content before I post it. So this microphone has on the bottom of it a shoe mount here that'll mount inside of the phone holder. This will mount on a camera, but also has a 1/4-20 thread on it. So I can thread that onto here like this. And then I can tighten on the flex mount. So we have the microphone there. And this has a little bit of a shock kind of mount to it here. And then the cord needs to plug into my computer, and this is too short to plug into my computer. You really want this short when you have it hooked up to your smartphone because you don't want it dangling down. And so ideally what you'd want is an extension cord of some sort. So I actually went to this end here. This is a regular headphone jack, and I don't have a headphone extension cord. I'll put a link in the description to some you can get on Amazon. But what I did have is a headphone sharing adapter. So this just doubles up in the inside. So if I plug these two together, it joins both sides. And then this is just a regular extension cable here. So I just did this because this is what I had around my house. But what you'd want to do is you'd want to get an extension cable and plug this into it, and then plug the other end into the back of the microphone. So in my case, I'll plug this end into the back. So now I can plug this end into my computer and record audio. And I used this in my last video, my last screen capture I did. I think it was the Amcrest camera walkthrough. So I'll put a link in the description of that video if you want to check it out. But I've been real happy with this, and one reason, aside from this long cord, I'll probably get a shorter extension cord one of these days. But it's small, and I can just unclamp this, pop it off of here, put it back easily right in front of my face, so I get good audio. And it doesn't have all those big boxes and things like that. It's also not dangling down on my neck like my iPhone video. So I'm going to probably keep using this for the time being because I really like it. I think it's been a great solution for me. So what are your thoughts? Do you do screencasts? Is there a certain microphone you use? If you have any questions about this setup, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.